Day number one, video number one. On this video, I'm gonna show you about the interface, of Cinema 4D. Interface is quite simple, to be honest. On the top area of the software, we've got the drop-down menu, which basically groups every single command in Cinema 4D, like in any other application. Then we've got the main toolbar right below that. This main toolbar is going to group all the most used tools in Cinema 4D, like manipulation tools, coordinates, rendering, creations, and about the interface as well. Then we've got the sub-selection and editing menu over here, toolbar over here on the left side. Then we've got the views area. Then we've got the animation bar down here, which you can use then to create animations. The materials manager that you can use to create, save, import or export materials. The coordinates manager to control position, rotation and scale of your objects. You've got the objects manager where you will see all the objects listed, and their tags as well. And then you've got the attributes manager, and that you can use to control the attributes of your object. So every time you create an object and that object is selected, it will show here. It will show you all the tags for that object, and once you select it, you can see the attributes or the properties of that object on the attributes manager. Attributes will show you the last thing you click. It doesn't matter if it's an object or if it's a tool. So if you click the object, it will show you the attributes of that object. If you click the move tool, then it will show you the attributes of the move tool. If you click selection, attributes of live selection, and so on. So attributes depends on what thing you click last, not what it's selected, because the cube still selected, but the object or the command I clicked last was the live selection. So that's what you're gonna see here, and that's basically the layout of Cinema 4D. You can change it if you want to. It depends on what you're gonna be working on. And to do that, you can go to this first button here on the left side toolbar, which is the sub-selection tool, that allows you to change the way the cinema is laid out, or also the top menu. So there is another one called modeling, which basically changes the layout and it gives you the tools to create models or to edit the models. We've got another one which is 3D body paint, which basically it gives you the tools to work with a body paint tool in Cinema 4D. Let's say another one called animation, which again changes the layout and expands the tools you actually need to create animation, like the timeline, and it gives you more space for those tools.